ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your RJ Swati here and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions and queries and support to elderly. Today we have some special guest who is going to give cooking recipe, and the answer may surprise you. Cooking was never a man's forte, but in today's day and age men are getting better at it. They have skillfully mastered the art of preparing mouth-watering dishes and being voted as better cooks. And one more thing, home cooked meal will not only be relished by your guest, but it is also a more nutritious option than eating out. So I welcome Mr. Selvakumaran for some quick and simple recipe. I'm to mouth watching before the recipe itself. So please welcome Mr. Selvakumaran. Here is his recipe. So now it's over to Mr. Selvakumaran.
Namaste. Hi, this is Selvakumar, retired HAL executive. I am retired in the year 2018. I am associated with Nightingale Medical Trust since 1 year. I had a great opportunity to join with Medical Trust. I am benefited a lot through this Nightingales. My health has been improved, and I am going to give a recipe of masala upma. This masala upma is different from our conventional, our traditional upma. We are not going to use here rava. Here we are going to use cauliflower grain in place of rava. The following are required. Cauliflower grain 250 gram. This quantity given for 2 people, to take sufficient for 2 people. Cauliflower grain 250 gram. How to prepare cauliflower grain? Take cauliflower, wash it, then nicely cut, then grate it and you will get the grains. You can boil the grain and keep aside. Turmeric powder as required. Ghee 1 tablespoon, cinnamon stick, tomato 1 number, olive oil 1 spoon, one onion, coconut milk 2 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste half tablespoon, green chilli 2 numbers, coriander powder 1/4 spoon, red chilli powder 1/4 spoon, coriander leaves, lemon juice and bay leaves. These are the items required. Here onion cut to small size, onion and tomato. Cinnamon stick, if powder is there also it will do fine. Then how to cook? Heat pan with oil. The oil may be olive oil or coconut oil or groundnut oil, any one, and add ghee on medium and keep medium heat. Then add cinnamon and bay leaf, fry nicely. Then add ginger garlic paste, saute for 2 minutes. After garlic paste fried, add the cut onion and tomato and chilli. Now thoroughly saute, and now add chilli powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. Then nicely mix then soak for another 2 minutes. Now add cooked cauliflower grains. Add to this masala, mix thoroughly and serve. Then after coming to brown color, close it for few minutes, at least 2 minutes in low heat flame. Then then open the lid, add lemon juice and coconut milk, mix thoroughly nicely with a slow flame. Then garnish with coriander leaves and present. This is enough for two people breakfast. Then you can add mint chutney with this, will give good taste. And this is a high protein breakfast. In the morning, instead of idli and dosa, the cauliflower upma will give good energy. It is a low glycemic index than idli and dosa. Try once and enjoy the taste. Nice. Thank you. And I give you one more recipe of egg idli and badam dosa. Please wait. I am going to give you a new recipe, that is egg idli. The idli is not traditional steamed fermented one. This is a different kind of idli. The idli is full of protein, no carbohydrate. This food is good for diabetic and health watchers. The diabetic people can replace the regular rice idli with this idli. You can find your blood sugar level considerably less. So I got you how to prepare the egg idli. The ingredients are egg white only 2 numbers, baking soda of a teaspoon, curd 1 tablespoon, ghee 1 tablespoon, paneer 200 gram, psyllium musk 1 tablespoon, coconut flour half tablespoon. The quantity required for 3 to 4 idlis of medium size. This is sufficient for one person breakfast. The how to prepare the idli. Crumble the paneer and grind the white egg, curd, paneer, coconut flour and psyllium musk. Grind. Batter should be thick consistency. After after this, add baking soda and salt as required. The batter should be thick enough. The batter should be divided into small balls. Now grease the idli mold with the ghee. The two to three glass of water add to. When the steam starts, place the batter ball in each mold. Gently press the ball to flat. Gently press the batter ball placed on the mold to a flat. Steam the idli for 5 to 7 minutes only. After 7 minutes, remove, you get the idli. If you steam more than 7 minutes, the color will change and it will become hard. Not advisable to steam more than 7 minutes. Once it is over 7 minutes, then remove the idli. Add idli with mint chutney or coconut chutney or sambar. It gives you good taste and it is a low glycemic index food. You can take it only in the morning. Night it is not advisable. It will give you a digestive problem. Please try and enjoy. Stay safe, keep healthy. Thank you, listeners. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. I want to say a few lines about Nightingale Medical Trust. Otherwise, this wouldn't have completed. Really, they are doing a very good job. The coordinators, Chandana, Swati, Haripriya, all are devoted and they are making us very cheerful. If we miss this class, the 2 hour class, the whole day we have lost something. And they make us to be cheerful the whole day. We are very much indebted to Nightingale Medical Trust. This service definitely will not be given by anybody else, I am sure. And thanks a lot to the coordinators, Chandana, Swati, and Haripriya. Thank you very much. Please keep doing it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for sharing delicious and healthy recipes, sir. I'm going to try them soon. Listeners, I hope you too like the recipe and going to try soon. Stay tuned to Haryana Vani for such nice programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, inquiries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care all.